What's up, y'all? What's up, Count 344? My
Happy
name is
Mon-
Josh,
And my name is Josh.
otherwise known as JJ. So today we are coming at you. We are Group 5, part of Week 7, this lovely Monday, and we are coming at you with supporting details.
Also in our group is the lovely ladies over there, Jocelyn Brito and Elena Johnson.
What up, y'all?
Stand up, everyone. We're here to make a video.
Like I said, we're coming at you with supporting details for this week, and so one of the things we want to talk about is what supporting details exactly are.
Okay, so whether you're writing a research paper, making a sales pitch, defending yourself in court, you should never underestimate the power of additional information.
Exactly. So an example of this would be, say, you know how Professor Nairn always says it's important to fact check. He wants exact numbers, exact details. You know, and this is what supporting details are. These are those facts that add validity and add that meat to your essay, press release, or even a day-to-day conversation where you're trying to prove a point.
Well said. Okay, so the idea behind supporting details is simple. It's all about providing information to explain and bolster your press release. So you have your intro, you have your lead, the 5 W's. Supporting details come after that to help explain and add additional information to what was already said in your lead, because you don't want your lead to be so crowded with so much additional information. So the point of your lead is to get people to your supporting details, and now we're here to discuss the importance of supporting details.
So an example we wanted to use was say there's a fire somewhere and it says thousands of lives are ruined. Prove it. You know. And so in the supporting details, in the body, it goes on to explain how 50,000 homes were burnt down, and then you realize, oh shoot, you see the numbers and you see the proof in the pudding. You know what I'm saying? Proof is in the pudding. You know
Proof is in the pudding and the profits.
You know, like it adds validity to your claim of how thousands of lives were ruined. It wasn't just a claim and saying this is what happened, but hey, this is how many homes were ruined. This is how many families were displaced because of this fire.
Okay, that's a great example. I'm going to give you another example. You can say Kobe Bryant is the best basketball player to ever walk the planet. It's a free country. You can say that, but your opinion will not be taken as seriously without supporting details. Now, let me give you some examples of supporting details. He scored 81 points in a game. He has 5 championship rings. 2 were possibly on his own, other than Pau Gasol, because, you know, Pau Gasol rocks. But and Derek Fisher. But you can't just say something. You can, but you can't just say something without giving additional information and facts and statistics.
So this is why they're important.
You're a very good-looking guy, Josh. You're a very good-looking guy.
I appreciate it. But this is why they're important. This is what supporting details are. Is they're the meat, they're the facts that add additional things to your story, to your press release. You know. So thanks for hearing us out. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great Monday.
Hope you all were listening. We're about to quiz you.